All right. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all hope you all are doing well, feeling well, looking well, and overall well. Happy Thursday afternoon. It's been an exciting day of price action. Exciting day. A lot of volatility. Big strong move to the upside. ES still trying to go to the upside here. ES trying to make these new highs on the day. Just making new highs on the day. Nas looking a little bit weak. We'll see if we get any afternoon action. Get any afternoon trades. Right now we're up on the day. Feeling pretty good. We can be a little picky. Try to get some good trades in. We won't be looking for a whole lot or any home run trades. If we take a trade, it's going to be just a base hit trade. Something we can take real light. Just add to our P&L. ES with a big strong move to the upside here. Making its way up to new highs on the day. 6,337. Nasdaq hovering a little bit weak right now at 250s, 253-ish. I don't know why, but it sounds like my voice is like trying to go out, and I'm not a big fan of that. Nas catching a little bit of a bid here. ES getting a strong move to the upside. Holy moly. Holy moly. Chad, my voice is going out right now. We're going to have a problem. We're going to have a problem. Now it's kind of hovering point of control right now. If you guys are just tuning in, you're just coming in the stream, be sure to smash that like button for your boy. Free way, support the channel. Just gets the YouTube video, the live stream out to more people, man. It's a free way just to support the community. You know what I mean? Takes only a second of your time. Chat, you know what not to do, and that's not to short all-time highs. Why do I want to short all-time highs right now? Why do I want to do it? ES making new highs. Nasdaq looking weak. Why do I want to short this? Why do I want to short it? I want to short it really bad. ES just making these new highs, and Nasdaq over here looking like we're trying to roll over. It's confusing. Because what happens if the ES gets weak? That means the Nasdaq's going to get even weaker. I want to short it. Well, ES still continuing its push up here, making new highs. Nas is just big time chilling here. Big time chilling. Not doing a goddamn thing. I need to get a new fucking foam thing for my mic chat. My son destroyed it. Look at it. Look at this. My 1-year-old got a hold of this thing and absolutely destroyed it. ES just looking strong right now. Nasdaq, not as much. I mean, ES just keeps making new highs. Nasdaq is kind of just going sideways at the moment. Sideways action on the Nas. Makes you wonder why the Nas is much weaker than the ES right now. Because it was like vice versa. It was like flipped, I think. It was the Nas was much stronger than the ES. Now it's weaker. Chat, like I said, if you're just tuning in, be sure to hit that like button for me, man. It's a free way to support the channel. Get some likes on the stream here. Helps the YouTube algos. Well, Nas trying to catch a bid above this level here. Maybe Nas tries to catch a bid in general. Just maybe. We are hovering point of control right now. Nas trying to get a little weak here. I'm gonna take a light position short, chat. We're a light position short on the Nas. We're 3 micros short here. ES looking like it might try to get weak up here. Nas not really following suit on the ES, so on this move up. So if the ES gets weak, I feel like it's going to bring the Nas down with it, and so I want to go ahead and take this short. We won't risk too much on this though. Looking to see if we reject this point of control too. Go ahead and put a stop loss up here. Just to have it in place in case we decide to rip. All right, let's see if we can get weak up here. Need the ES to get weak. Need the ES to get weak, chat. Moment that ES gets weak, this Nasdaq I think is gonna drop because it's the Nasdaq's already much weaker than the ES. We do have liquidity stacked lower too. ES looking pretty good for a rollover. See the Nas a follow here. Need the Nas to follow. Market's slow right now. I usually wait till 3:30. Yeah, it is moving pretty slow. Pretty slow. I'm good. Had a nice green day, green morning. Had a really good trade. Just seeing if we can capitalize off some afternoon opportunities. I like the fact that the Nasdaq did not follow the ES and is much weaker, right? Because that tells me that if the ES gets weak, then the Nas will probably will melt down. That's what we're really looking for here. ES trying to curl over a little bit, not a whole lot. Nas tried to get a move down there. So far, catching a bid back up above my entry here. Yeah, I don't like this buy up here. We're not taking too much heat, but not gonna let this get much stronger. 25 people, it's 28 people now watching and chat. Come on and talk, guys. I know chat's like quiet today. It's weird. Sometimes you get that. Sometimes you get a lot of people and they just come in like just kind of hang out, be a spectator, not really chat much. Some people come in and they do chat. Sometimes you get a lot of silent viewers. That's okay. Man, I want to stay long in this game, but 10,000 instant account. I plan to make bucks, which is suggesting for lot size. Is good breathing room. You want to make $10 to $30? One micro. That's what I would do. Trade one micro. Check my screen. My screen's froze. Looks good. All right, can we get a rollover? Can we get the rollover? Or are we gonna buy here? We have liquidity stacked lower. I haven't seen the Superman movie yet. I want to see it though. I heard it was really good. Heard it was super good. Pun intended. Pun intended. All right. Is this thing going to come down or nah? Yeah, it's looking like it's trying to catch a bid again. Micro lot is 0.1 or 0.01 in gold. Not sure what you mean. Are you talking about gold futures? Okay, gold spot. Yeah, see, I don't, that's why I don't understand it. I don't trade Forex. I trade futures. How long did it take you to become consistently profitable? Long time. Years. Years. I would say like 3 years. Start making some money. Yeah, still trying to catch a bid here. Nas is looking a little bit weaker. Just trying to see if we can get a rollover here on the Nas. So far, not so much. Not so much. ES trying to go up and make new highs. Just need the ES to get weak, man. We have a big divergence right now. Living the dream, Mr. Morgan, sir. Yeah, you could say that. You could say that. Yeah, I'm not really wanting to be in this trade anymore. Not a fan. Not a fan. ES just keeps making new highs. Nas not really following. Do you trade the opening or wait 15 to 20 minutes? I'm tempted. I see lots of good moves in the opening. I usually wait. I usually give the market some time to settle down before I take any trades. And Nas just cannot go down. It's just being held up. ES is holding the NAS here at this level. Just can't get it. ES keeps making new highs. NAS still not really following. I mean, it's moved up a little bit, but ES definitely a lot stronger. It's gonna take it off. I don't want to sit through it, or let's take a $50 paper cut there. No point. No point in sitting through that, chat. No point in sitting through that. Oh, so let's take a $50 L. Literally just nothing. Nothing to take there. Or nothing to do there, really. No movement with the algos, yeah. Watch, now that I got out of my position, it's going to get weak. Now that I've exited my position, it's going to get weak. Excellent discipline. Yeah, we do well there in that area. We've done quite well. Got your US 30? No. I just trade the Nasdaq. Just trade the Nas. It took me 2 years to get good at trading the Nasdaq. Nice. Yeah, it takes some time. Takes a little bit of time. Look at this nonsense. Look at this nonsense. They know everybody waiting for that drop down for sure. Best day was 7K in one day and lost it all the next day. Won't do that again. We've all been there. Yeah, we've all been there. Every single one of us has been there. Well, we got 7 minutes until power hour. I don't think we have any news. Chat, do we have any news? I don't know. No news the rest of the day. Tomorrow we have Michigan sentiment. That'll get interesting. It'll drop after 4 p.m. How do you know? Are you a magician? Should I go short now? Should I just be short? Almost. Always the way, but I've had the shit kicked out of me for holding on. Don't stress, my friend. Look at this shit. Power hour isn't the same like last year. Last year I was killing power hour. Yeah, it's been a bit slow. Look at this, bro. Now it's gonna get weak. Now it's gonna do exactly what I wanted it to do. Now it's gonna do it. Trump is considered power hour with his magical voice. Trump needs to sit down. He needs to just take a seat. Dude is stirring the pot on a lot of things. We just need him to come out and say tariffs. Just say tariffs so we can drop the market and be short. That's what we need. Market always moves at 3:59 p.m. for 30 seconds every day. That's the MOCs. Wait, 3:59. Central Time or EST? Man, SPA is trash. Garbage. Chat, look at this. Absolute garbage. Absolutely garbage. Huh. Liquidity Hunter it is. I hate this. Yeah, this PA sucks. This afternoon PA is not good. Not good at all. Garbage. Absolutely garbage. Oh, chat, I can't stop yawning, bro. I might need to take a nap. I might need to take a nap, chat. Holy moly. PA is going to be boring. I might just do that. I might do it. Adapt and overcome bigger size and smaller moves. Just throw on 5 minis, take 5 points. As soon as I take a nap, the Nasdaq will drop by 50 points. Facts. That's 100% facts. I already know it will. Ismail, what up? You just need a good old fashioned five knuckle shuffle. Puts hairs on your chest. What's a 5-knuckle shuffle? The hell is that? What am I missing here? 5-knuckle shuffle. You ever watch the market 2 hours? As soon as you go to the bathroom, it moves like 8 points. Actually, yeah. Yeah, that's happened to me a couple times. There's been times where I'd go like literally just check on my son for like 2 minutes and I come back and the market dumps. Like, bro, I was gone for 2 minutes. 2. And we move 100 points. All right, it's 2:01 power hour. And there ain't shit happening. Not a damn thing. Nada. Chat, do me a favor while we're watching this boring PA, drop a like on the stream. Get me excited. Entertain me with some likes on the stream, chat. You guys entertain me. All right, this relationship that you and I have is very one-sided. It's always me entertaining you guys with trading. How about for once you guys entertain me? Let's have a mutual relationship here. All right. I did suggest a 5-knuckle. I don't know what the 5-knuckle shuffle is. I asked what it is. I haven't got an answer yet. What is the 5-knuckle shuffle? Look at this rip. What up, JT? We could tell jokes that'll entertain me. Please do. Now it's trying to catch up a little bit of bid here. Coming up to volume profile high or value area high. It's a quote from Cena. Cena? Senna? Cena? Henna? I don't know what child, I don't know what y'all are talking about. Are y'all drunk? Have y'all had too much to drink? Because I don't know what y'all are talking about. I'm too scared to look it up on Google. I don't know that I trust you guys enough to look it up on Google. Absolutely. How'd you guess? Google it, but make sure no one is looking around. Okay, no, I'm definitely not gonna Google it. Now I'm definitely not going to. What did the mama cow say to the calf? I don't know. Tell me. It's past your bedtime, Krista. That's how you know you're a parent. that's that's how you know you're a mom. When your jokes are about children, keeping it G-rated. Someone needs to because this chat's getting out of control. Chat is getting out of control. I think my chat's actually on crack or have had too much to drink. It's only 2 p.m. Central Time, guys. Do I have MBO bundle with my book map? No. I have to go back. I don't think so. I have to look and see what MBO is, but I don't think so. Del Grace today. Chat, are y'all already trying to con me into doing a giveaway? Am I already being conned? I would know. It's an extra 135 a month. Probably not. Why are y'all saying each other's name in chat, bro? Y'all weird. Y'all weird, bro. Y'all are so confusing. Chat, why am I live right now? Y'all are drunk. Price action's not doing anything. course, we aren't here for your personality. Thanks. Appreciate that. My chat hates me. Nas hanging out at volume profile point of control. Just found your channel. I love your bald head. All right. Is this just roast Joey day? What are we doing here, chat? What are we doing? Chat, I will not, I promise you, I will not do another giveaway. I will ban you guys from giveaways. My bald head is pretty nice though. I ain't gonna lie. I got a nice head for it. You know what I mean? I'm the best looking bald guy on the internet. Leave me alone. Best looking bald guy you've ever seen. I have a big ass egghead. What's that crown icon that appears and goes away? Crown icon. How about next to your name? Means top fan. You know, for the people that come in here and actually chat and hang out and are here consistent here every day, vibe with me as well. You know, something that you used to do. You should be known as the bald trader. Yeah. I said, best looking bald guy you ever know. Best looking bald guy on the internet. If I was just coming into trading, I might have been the bald trader. Maybe. Maybe. That would have made sense. But I'm here, bro. It was just my 2 weeks trip to Orlando. Listen, I'm more important than your Orlando trip. I don't know what you're thinking. When I'm live, you're here. I don't care what's going on in Orlando. I'm better than Orlando. Kevin says that's it. I'm long. You're longing this? Joey like Rock Hudson with a shaved head, stunningly handsome. But like a rebrand move. You can talk about catching fades on the charts every day. Yeah, I could. I could. You've been owning the ball head lately. You used to wear a hat. I know. I retired the hat. The hat got retired. I made a YouTube video and someone hurt my feelings in the comment section. Someone told me legit they watched my video and commented in the comment section was like, "You should keep the hat. You look better with the hat." Thanks. Thank you. Appreciate you. Change volume profile to 1,000. To row 1,000. More context. I don't even know why I'm here, chat. Why am I here? Betting you full port short. Y'all are drunk trading this. Absolutely drunk. The Chaz example of what happens when you overtrade. We all warped. The Chaz is drunk in general. Every single one of you. Fastest way to real money, fade me. Well, we know who's not profitable. Harris says he took 0 trades today. Prove it. No, you didn't. Had a good day. I'm done. Yeah. Had a good day too. We took one trade this morning that was a solid long from 130s here. Rode this thing up. Took one trade this afternoon, cut it short because I was tired of sitting in it. A bunch of bullshit. PA didn't want to ride it out, didn't want to do nothing with it, so I just got out. Took a $50 paper cut. Probably gonna call it there. I'm not gonna take any more trades in this. This ain't it, bro. This ain't it. Oh, Harris proved it. He took no trades today. Just so you guys know, I know Mr. Harris in real life, and he sent me a snap. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't know if the light might be. Yeah, you guys can't see it. He took 0 trades. Harris had a no trade day today. He proved it. Lots of monkeys will be choked this evening. Jesus Christ. Chat just got X-rated. My chat just got X-rated. Holy. I don't think I even know another trader in real life. They're hard to come by. The only way you really know a trader in real life is if you turn somebody into a trader or you go to events, like trading events. Outside of that, you really just don't even really know anybody. That's why trading is so lonely, because there's legit, you can live in your hometown and it's like you're literally the only trader. Real talk. Before Logan, I think I'm legit the only one here that does this on the scale that I do. I think there's one more. Actually, there's one more guy here local, but like full time trader, legit the only one. Trading's lonely, chat. It's lonely. I can't even turn myself into a real trader, much less a friend. That's unfortunate. That is actually unfortunate. I believe in you, Kevin. Believe in you. Hey, what are you looking for in the chart to take a trade? I ain't looking for shit. This PA sucks. I'm done. I don't even know why I'm here. To get outside the barcode for real. Scan it, see where it goes. Somebody scan the code. See if it goes anywhere. How crazy would it be if that did? Like, the market has like secret chat. The market has like secret messaging inside of the code, inside of the candlesticks. Bro. Can you imagine? Like all this time, nobody ever knew, and there's like secret messages hidden in the candlesticks. Now that I said that out loud, I might get kidnapped. So chat, listen. If I get kidnapped and somebody comes and takes me and I just some for some reason disappear, look into the candlesticks. Like, did I just cook something up there? What if that is actually like, what if that actually happens? What if there's some kind of like code in the candlesticks that people are reading? Like I said, if I get kidnapped, you guys know. You guys know what happened. Anyone watch Rips? I don't know how that guy trades the way he does. You have to have huge drawdown buffer to trade like that. Well, dude, Rips is like a mega millionaire. Dude has like millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. He cannot give a shit. He can trade and not give a shit. He could start $1 million account and it just be fucking like fuck around money. Like it's just he doesn't care. He can wake up, lose $1 million and not even blink. He is a good dude though. Rips is a good dude. Yeah, Rips made millions of dollars before he well, I know he's been trading for a long time. I don't know the time frame of his trading versus where he made a lot of money, but he made a lot of money outside of trading. Millions. It's like then the whole drama with Top Step and PW, and I still don't really know what happened. Long story short, PW was an affiliate of Top Step, and Top Step wanted to cut ties with PW because PW just like PW is PW, and they paid him out, um, and ended the partnership. But in the contract of ending that partnership, PW was not supposed to bash or talk down on Top Step. Um, and so Top Step is suing PW for doing all of that live on YouTube, live on streams, and there's just a lot of back and forth on that. And then PW they're claiming PW misrepresented his profits to his viewers with Top Step, and then PW is claiming that Top Step did the exact same thing by taking him live and showing their audience that he was a really good trader. So there's just a lot, like there's a lot to it. I don't even know all the context and details. That's just really what I know about it all. So it's gonna be a wild lawsuit. But PW is the homie. PW is saying Rips was running some kind of shady business. Rips got arrested and accused of doing something like that, but it was all dropped. Like everything was dropped. The Rips wasn't convicted of anything. Remember the whole thing started when Rips claimed he replaced PW at Top Step. That was the trigger. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. They're both homies. Rips is a good dude. I haven't met Rips in person. PW is a good dude. Met him in person. He's a super nice guy off camera. They're all the homies. PW is a little sweetheart. Don't let the live stream, the internet stuff fool you. PW a little sweetheart, bro. You're gonna tell him? Tell him. That's fine. You can tell him that Joey said he's a little sweetheart off the stream. You can link him to the time, share the video, and link him to where I said it on video. Victoria said the same one day. Yeah, yeah. It's because she gets the real PW off stream. I mean, chat, think about it. Do you really think that somebody, if PW was the way he was in real life, that he would pull somebody like Victoria? Think about it. Sure, money can't. Yeah, I mean, money can talk, but at the end of the day, though, PW, like, he's like a genuine dude, and so even with money, no girl. I mean, if he was the way he was in real life as he is on live stream, no girl would hang around. No, doesn't matter if he's a millionaire. No girl would hang around. You know how many millionaires there are in Pompano and Fort Lauderdale and pretty much all of South Florida? I mean, there's options, right? You know what I mean? There's options if you're trying to pick millionaires. But I can say that my personal experience with him in real life is that he's a super nice dude. Very genuine. He's the Doctor Disrespect. If any of you guys like watch the gaming industry, he's the Doctor Disrespect of the trading industry. It's like identical. I even brought that up to him. Like when we after his stream when I was there, we went and ate Chipotle. I even brought that up. I was like, "You ever watch Doctor Disrespect?" He even said that he takes some of the stuff from Doctor Disrespect. All right, Chad, it's 2:30 and there is just nothing happening. Nasdaq's just been so strong. A little dump into MOC would be appreciated. Are you short? Nice. I just don't like any of this. I mean, we're legit just boop, hovering point of control here. In the tournament account, nice. At 150K profits already? You've made 150K in the account? Bro, to start your own personal account. Be that good. Getting a little rip here into the end of day. Will the Nas go up and make new highs? Does some value area high here. ES catching a little bit of a bid too, trying to go up back to the all-time highs. Getting interesting. Getting interesting. Yeah, I got you, Corey. I got you, bro. Uh-oh. That's some value area high here. Well, I don't think I'm going to take a trade in this chat. There's just too much chop, too much sideways action. I don't think I'm going to trade it. We have liquidity stacking higher. We have some orders sitting up at 282. Got 68 contracts sitting up there. As a Mr. Clean standing, you must have to beat the stick. That's gonna be my Halloween outfit, chat. I'm actually gonna be Mr. Clean. I'm just trying to get buff, trying to get jacked like Mr. Clean. Don't skip the gym then. I don't skip the gym. Harris? I make sure I do the program every single week. It may not be on the exact same days, but the program getting done. Okay? Relax. Chat, Logan Harris does my workout program in the chat. Stock up on the turtle wax for the shine. Now it's trying to catch a bid here. ES trying to catch a bid. Everything trying to catch a bid. The only thing not catching a bid is my P&L because I'm not in any of it. My hairline didn't catch a bid either. That's okay. My hairline entered a short position when I was fucking like 25 years old. It's unfortunate. Hairline been in a short position for the past 13 years. About to fly out to Turkey. Y'all gonna see me do a live stream from Turkey, chat. I'm gonna do an IRL stream from Turkey getting a hair transplant. That'll bring the views. I'm gonna fucking do it, chat. We're gonna do an 8-hour stream of the hair transplant on the YouTube channel. I'm gonna be trading from Turkey in the seat, getting a hair transplant while I'm trading. Yo, that would be an insane stream, chat. We would have we would have thousands of people in the stream watching. That's fucking content, bro. That holy, I might if I do decide to go to Turkey and get a hair transplant, you know it's going down. The title of the YouTube stream is Trading While Getting a Hair Transplant in Turkey. Why is this doing that? Well, chat, nothing's happening. We are legit just hanging out at the highs here. Now it's looking like she might go up and try to run all this. ES trying to catch a bid again here as well. Oh, Ismail, I just saw your competition thing. Hold on. I'm looking at it. Third place. What happens if you win? What do you get if you win? Is there like a cash prize? Nice. My Discord rules are as short as my hair. What do you mean? My Discord rules. I don't really have any rules in Discord. Except don't be freaking slinging some nasty shit in my Discord. I don't have any. I haven't needed it. I haven't needed any rules. I got like spam protection stuff in there that blocks out a lot of it, but I can't control some of it that comes in. Getting weak up here. ES starting to roll over a little bit. ES rolling over. So probably even if I stop trading now, I'd probably lock in 250. Gotcha. I don't know. Things are starting to roll over a little bit, so you might actually get something. Things looking a little rolly. I want to short it again. I really do. I don't like being short into MOCs. I don't like being in a position during MOCs, honestly. So you don't ban me, just know that I'm just fuming in between trades. I'm confused. What'd you do? Why would I ban you? Oh, funny. Like, gotcha. I guess I read that wrong. I meant fuming. Uh-oh. Things rolling over, chat. We're back under point of control. Ismail, your short might be paying here, brother. Your short might be paying. This starts to get heavy. I mean, we'll come down to probably the 240s, 242s. I'm getting FOMO and really want to short chat. I really want to be in this short. I'm getting FOMO. Chat, somebody lock me out. Somebody force me. Somebody take over my computer and close out my trading stuff. Somebody be my accountability partner. Go clean some until the urge passes. Good. At least on ES, we are still above value area high. Are we? See. Yeah, we are. Still above value area high. Things looking kind of rolly though. Looking a little roly poly. Short it. JT says short it. JT's being a bad influence. Give me your IP and I will. Wait, you can actually do that with my IP address? How does one do that? How do you do that with an IP address? Isn't that sending just like a incredible amount of traffic to your IP address? Is that what it is? I think that's what that is. And it's just a crazy amount of traffic and clutters your computer to where you can't do anything. Yeah, please don't do that. We don't get YouTube strikes talking about such things. Nah, talking about it now. Like flooding your connection to a point it becomes unusable. Gotcha. Oh, it's crazy. Pretty sure that's happened to a few prop firms. Somebody got their servers and just flooded them. What's that? Might have been a trap. That might have been. I mean, we're buying right back up. Bought right back. So having a Cloudflare, funny that company is supposed to avoid it. Yeah, no kidding. Kecked him. Hello. Back to my CK in the red. Yeah, this is just not it, bro. I mean, we're just legit sideways. MOCs could get interesting here in about a minute. Jeff, y'all aren't already subbed. Make sure to sub the channel. Catch the daily live streams live every morning, every afternoon. Make sure you are subbed to the channel to catch those live streams. Be much appreciated. Our live stream audience has been growing as of lately, so we've been doing pretty well. Everybody's coming in, tuning in, joining up on the fam, catching some vibes, catching some good trades. It's appreciated. What do we get if we do? Me, my bald head on stream. That's what you get. It said the legend has it that a bald head brings good luck. Chat. It's like when you go touch the ball sack on the Wall Street Bull and it brings you good luck. It's like a bald guy. I'm not comparing my bald head to the ball sack of the bull on Wall Street, but a bald guy brings you good luck. You rub the head of a bald guy, you get good luck. So they say. Close enough. You're wild, bro. Wild. Wild. Ismail, there's your short. MOC's paying you. Wait, what? Don't fuck with me, Corey. Wait, are you really? Ismail, did you take profits? I would have. I would have. Corey is feminine spelling. So what's your actual name? Karina? Oh, you meant like Corey is feminist. That's your actual like real spelling. It's not like abbreviated. Okay. Well, my bad, Corey. Catching a buy back up here. Going back to value area high. Holy moly. ES catching a bid. Ismail. Ismail, what happened? Ismail, what happened? Oh no. All-time highs at the end of day, chat. Holy. New all-time highs at the end of the day, chat. Are we going to do it? Should we, are we YOLOing contracts at high of day here? For new all-time highs? Is that what we're doing? I can DJ. Do it. I dare you. $65 until I am about to be out of the buffer zone on TPT. Then any profit above that, I can start taking out. First time ever getting this far. Let's go, GGs. Love that. Love that. Corey, I bet you don't, G-Gen. Uh-oh. Pull back. Chat, what's happening? MOCs. Ismail. Ismail again. You're just surviving out here, bro. Ismail is just out here surviving. Flush it for your boy Ismail. Holy moly, 76 contracts at 240. Give it to him. Give it to him. Ismail going through the trenches on this short right now. Bro been sweating bullets. Ismail is sitting on the edge of his seat right now, biting his fingernails, praying to the futures market gods that it pulls down. Ismail is out of his seat on his hands and knees, staring at his computer right now. Nine minis on NQ and 4 minis on ES. Yeah, Ismail is out of his seat, standing up, pacing back and forth right now. He's actually out of his seat right now, pacing. He's either going to win this trade and have the best day of his life, or he's going to lose his trade and not know what to do with the rest of the day. Mr. Pepper says, I'm flat now. Had a good day. Let's go. GG's. JT said, I said 69 with 79 stop, baby. JT's Warren Buffett. Look at Discord again. Holy. Yeah, that's wild. Did buy BTC at 3K. So yeah, Mr. Buffett to you. You bought Bitcoin at 3K? You still holding on to it? You want to send me a Bitcoin? I'll take a Bitcoin. Send me a Bitcoin for a donation to the bald head charity. Oh, you didn't? You didn't hold on to it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ismail getting a nice little flushy flush. Ismail still pacing back and forth in his room. Ismail just out here surviving in his short right now. Absolutely surviving. What's it gonna be, Ismail? Market's closed. Market is closed. You gonna hold? I'm rooting for you, Ismail, bro. I really am. I'm imagining you pacing back and forth right now, talking to your cell, talking to your computer, your monitor, having one of those trader moments where you have a conversation with your monitor. I'm I'm visualizing that for you right now, but I'm hoping that this really does just go in your favor. Like I'm thinking. Oh God, oh God, Ismail's dead. Oh God, Ismail, I'm sweating for you. I feel nervous for Ismail in this short right now. Holy. Ismail, how we feeling, bro? Talk to us. What's on our mind, bro? What's on our mind right now? What's your entry? 240 and he'll cover. Give him 240 and he'll cover. 9 minis on the Nasdaq. Give him 240. His entry is 259. Give him the 240. Give it to him. Give it to him. Holy moly, give it. Ismail. Ismail, I'm not ending stream until we get this. Ismail, 240. Did you cover? Please tell me you covered. Please, for the love of God, please tell me you covered. Did you Ismail, did you cover? Bro, you got to tell us. The whole chat is waiting. That was too fast or not yet, bro. Limit orders. He hasn't covered yet, chat. He's still in it. Holy moly, Ismail with the balls of steel. Maybe Ismail is the Wall Street bull. Holy. There's 240 again. $240 again. Ismail. Where you at, dog? Ismail. Cover. The whole chat's telling you to cover. Holy fuck. $11K for the day. Let's go. He's flat, chat. Holy moly. Ismail is flat. He's about to give us all a heart attack. Holy moly, I can end stream now. Jesus. All right, chat. GG's, give Ismail some W's in the chat, fam. Before we hop out of here, give Ismail some W's in the chat. We're all just rooting for him, hoping for the best. I was even sweating bullets for Ismail. So give him some W's before we get out of here. Chat, as always, remember to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Catch daily live streams in the mornings and the afternoons as well. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button on your way out, fam. GG's. We're ending green on the day. Hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. I will see you guys tomorrow morning live at the New York Open, where we are going to make some money on a beautiful Friday. Peace, fam.